What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Meet Manny here. Today I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got from IKEA during Black Friday. Oh my god, my voice. During Black Friday. All of the stuff that I did buy is for my living room and my... I'm running out of breath. All the stuff that I did buy is for my living room and my bedroom, I believe. I kind of forgot already. And a balcony chair, which is for that space over there. There's not really much, I think. I will try to link every single thing that I bought down below and just see, like, what, also put what they're called. I'm probably gonna mess up all the names on it because obviously they're all hard to say. But yeah, here's my receipt right here. IKEA, all that stuff. If you guys want to see me build all these stuff, you know, they should be pretty easy because, I mean, they're IKEA stuff. This episode, I am going to call it Manny the Builder. Let's get to it, guys.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon said? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.